Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you may get the error that says your access to Snapchat account may be temporarily disabled. Well, that is because for various reasons, of course. One, you attempted to log in too many times in a short period. And the second one, you may be using more than one Snapchat account on the same phone. So if it says you've attempted to log in too many times in a short period, well, just wait 48 hours and then log in with the correct credentials, okay? And then once that's done, the issue should be fixed. Now, if you're using multiple Snapchat accounts and the other account violated the terms of service of Snapchat, well, the other account will be affected as well. Okay, so again, wait for 48 hours. So some workarounds right here. You can go ahead over to the Snapchat app if you're using Android. Tap and hold. Now go ahead and go to information right here. Go ahead and find storage. Now tap on clear cache. And then once that's done, tap on clear data. And after that, reopen up Snapchat and it will ask you to log in. So just log back in and then it should work now. Okay, if you're using iOS, just go ahead over to the app section, select WhatsApp and just select offload data or offload app. And then once that's done, it will ask you to install WhatsApp. So just go ahead and do so, reopen it, and everything should work fine as well. Okay? And that is it. That is how you fix Snapchat if it's temporarily disabled. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.